Hi friends, look what came in the mail today. If you can't tell what this is, it's a tie-dye kit. Everyone knows that everyone's tie-dyeing right now. It's nothing new. I wanted to hop onto the trend, so I ordered this off Amazon. It comes with like every color, 14 colors. I forget exactly how much it was, but for just the full kit, all the colors, it was the best deal and the fastest shipping I could find, so I'll have this one linked down below. I already did the bleach tie-dye, which is so easy. You can do it with stuff you already have at home, which is really nice. We're all stuck at home. I just made these jeans yesterday. I'll link the video in the little eye, but I've been wearing them because I'm obsessed, and now they're my comfiest jeans. I love them so much, and I just want to make more things. So what I'll be tie-dyeing today, I wouldn't say it's your typical tie-dye. I'm not doing a jogger sweatsuit. Don't worry, you haven't lost me completely. I'm trying to like save old pieces, and this is a lot of why I flip things or kind of restructure them. I'm not wearing them anymore. I'm trying to save them because I really loved them, or just trying to repurpose. And the first thing we're going to tie-dye is this little Princess Polly tank. It is that perfect high neck white tank. I have not been able to find a better fit than this one. I'm always ordering them, and this one was just perfect. I need to order another one of just this one. But as you can tell, I think it's not really white anymore. I have a stain right on the front. It's just kind of gray from washing it so many times and wearing it so many times. So I figured if I tie-dye it, all of those stains will be hidden more and maybe I can wear it again. And then also I have this ribbed long sleeve with the under boob kind of ribbing from H&M. And I love this shirt. I've worn it once, but it's see-through. Like, it is see-through and it's hard to wear it. I'm thinking if I tie-dye it, it might take the attention off of my nipples and I can wear it again. So those are the two tops I'm doing. And then the one I'm most excited for, I said this in my last video, but I'm moving to Chicago in June, and I'm so excited. I just want to keep making home decor, or start making home decor and buying home decor. I'm on Facebook Marketplace all the time. I love the tie-dye comforters. So I have this comforter cover. It's pretty white. I don't think there's any stains on it. Sometimes I'll get like detergent stains on them. But I can't keep a white comforter on my bed with Ernie. He is too dirty. Going in and out of the house doesn't work. So I figured tie-dyeing a comforter. Are you gonna come say hi? Look who got his shirt back.
And my dog.
This is my roommate. Not my brother, just my roommate.
That's all.
Alright.
Bye.
Oh, dog's coming with you.
Good.
So I really like the tie-dye comforter trend, but on Urban they're like dumb expensive, and I already have this white comforter laying around that I'm not using, so I thought why not? And I'm going to try and tie-dye this. I don't know how it's going to go. I've never seen anyone do it. I'm sure it's been done, but just like everything else I do, I don't like looking up tutorials because I'm lazy and I just have an idea in my head and I think I can do it. So that's all we're tie-dyeing today, not too much. Let's get started. So the first one I'm going to do is just the little tank top because it's the easiest. Hi, Ernie. You want to sit here? So I'm going to do it up here and just twist. Into a spiral. I should have just got tie-dye kit with only green. Okay, sorry. That's the first one all wrapped up. Now, I don't know how well these are going to hold the dye because this one's like polyester. This one should hold it really well because it's cotton. But this one, I don't know. You do it like this and scrunch it up. Should I do that like that? This one? Sure, I'll do that. And you just put little ties around each one. So there's this one. We'll see how that turns out. And for the big papa. Okay. This is gonna be hard. There's a way to do a double spiral. And I want to try it. Also, these rubber bands might not be big enough. So here's what I don't know. Should I be safe and just do one? Or should I do multiple? Okay, so I found bigger rubber bands I'm gonna wrap. I'm kind of going for like a messy, not put together look. But I think we need stuff to hold it together. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And then I'm gonna tie-dye it in this bucket. Throw it in there. But I'm gonna do it in the bathroom. And then these two will go in the little box the dyes came in. Okay, so I already changed my mind on some things because you can dilute the green, so I'd rather use this green because this is not a lot. I'd rather use that for the comforter cover, and then I'll get 2 out of it because I'll just dilute it a lot so it can cover the full thing. And then I'll do the lime green on the tank top and then purple on the long sleeve. Okay, we're gonna start with the little tank. So you just fill this with water to the line and shake it up. Look how dark that looks. And then you shake. Ew, my arm. Okay, so I think it's all dispersed and disintegrated. And just squirt on the shirt. It looks so green, I'm scared. I might rinse it underwater to dilute it even more, because I'm scared. Okay. This would be so much easier outside. It's raining today. That should be good. Throw this guy in there. And we gotta mix up the purple. Actually, I wanna do orange. We're doing orange. And shake. I was gonna do this different, but whatever. And we're out. See, that didn't cover like I wanted it to. I think I'm gonna add some water in this one and re-squirt so it disperses how I want. So now it's basically like a lighter orange. And we'll do it again. Look at me sucking it up off the bottom. Yeah, I'm screwed for the bed sheet. Okay, so we've got them both in here. I only covered the green one and I just left the orange one out. And these have to stay like this for 8 hours, and then let's move on. Okay, so I split the dark green bottle into 4 so I could try and cover this. It still looks so dark, so I'm not worried about it not showing up. I think it'll be a good color. I'm worried about it not covering. So let's see how this goes. Look how dark that still is. I'm so spraying water on top of this. It's just way too precise, I feel like. Maybe it's not, I don't know. It's just too green, I think, still. It's not the color I wanted. It's like blue. That's 2 bottles. Should I add some yellow? So got a lot of open space. I might add some water to it. I'm gonna do 2 full of water. So I didn't even use all those. This looks blue. Don't stay blue, turn green, please. Last one. These are just water to help it sink in everywhere and somewhat dilute it. And there's that. Now we've got 8 hours to wait for everything to dry. I'm excited. You see me? I'm excited, but this is blue, not green. Okay, hello. It's been like Devin Lee Carlson. The toilet grosses me out, but I'm gonna sit on it. It's been 7 hours, so now I'm gonna cut the rubber bands and then we'll throw our items in the wash. But we get to see what they look like right now. Here's the first one. The green tank. I'm loving how this green turned out, which makes me very upset I didn't use it on the whatever that's called. Where did I just put the scissors? Okay. That I didn't use it on the bedspread. I like this green way better, but it might still wash out some. So let's see. I have most faith in this one. So if it doesn't turn out okay, not bad. Very cute. I saturated it a lot more than I thought I was going to. So that's one. This one I'm worried about. I think I way overdid it. Almost like not tie-dyed, like, okay, this one's freaking cool. That one's awesome. We'll see how well it sticks, but I'm really happy I did the orange. I really like how that looks. Okay. And then, I don't know how I'm gonna lay out this big papa. Okay. This kind of looks a lot better than I thought it would. Let's throw these in the wash and then I'll get back to you probably tomorrow when the lighting's better because it's dark outside now. It's the next day and look what turned out. So cute. I can't get over this top. It looks like I used 2 colors on it, but I didn't. It's just the green and then the water that I sprayed after. I think I made it look more blue. I kind of really like that it's all colored when I first pulled it out and it looked like, but when I first pulled it out and it looked like it was gonna be no white, I thought I didn't like that, but I'm really happy. I like diluted it with the water. I think that it turned out so cute. Still has a little stain on it, but it's not as noticeable. But I definitely am going to be wearing this now. I have nothing like this in my closet, so I'm very excited about this. It makes me look super tan too, and I'm not. So that's exciting. And now for a flop. And I said that this would probably happen because it's not cotton. The color just didn't stick at all, which is really upsetting because it looked so cool. A completely different bedding. It looks blue and green, more blue, which was kind of upsetting because I wanted it to be green. I haven't put it on my bed yet, so that's the next thing I'm gonna do. Very cute. Cool. Fun. Well, I hope this gave you guys some ideas of other things to tie-dye. A lot of people who got those tie-dye kits to do the jogger set, I don't know, there's just so much other stuff you can tie-dye and really change up your room or your entire look of a lot of things. I think even a throw blanket tie-dyeing, I don't know what material it would need to be, but yeah, I'm really excited about how this turned out. I really like the diluted kind of pastel tie-dye. So if you came here for a quality spiral, that's obviously not what you got. I thought this was just a fun little video to record. I wanted to tie-dye my bedding anyways, and I wanted to tie-dye this anyway, so I figured I would just record it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And okay, well, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Follow me on Instagram, message me there. I respond to all my messages. And I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.